Why do I feel sick after an afternoon nap? Have you ever woken up from a nap feeling more tired, disoriented, or even nauseous? You're not alone. Let's figure out why this happens and what you can do about it. One of the main reasons you might feel sick after a nap is something called sleep inertia. This is that groggy, disoriented feeling you get when you wake up. It's more common after longer naps, especially those that last more than 30 minutes. When you nap for a long time, you enter deep sleep, which is harder to wake up from and can leave you feeling worse than when you started. During deep sleep, your brain has higher levels of delta waves, which are associated with deep sleep, and fewer beta waves, which are linked to being awake. This makes it harder for your brain to reactivate quickly when you wake up. Additionally, the blood flow in your brain takes a bit of time to speed up after waking, which can contribute to that sluggish feeling. Another factor could be acid reflux. If you nap soon after eating, especially if you've had spicy, acidic, or fatty foods, you're more likely to experience acid reflux. This can cause nausea and a sour taste in your mouth when you wake up. Dehydration can also play a role. If you're not drinking enough water throughout the day, you might feel unwell when you wake up from a nap. This is especially true if you've been sleeping in a hot environment or if you've had a lot of caffeine or alcohol before napping. Pregnancy, infections, and other health conditions can also make you feel sick after napping. For example, if you have a cold or flu, the congestion and postnasal drip can make you feel nauseous when you wake up. To avoid feeling sick after a nap, try to keep your naps short. Naps of less than 30 minutes are less likely to cause sleep inertia and can actually increase your alertness. If you do need a longer nap, give yourself some time to recover afterward. Avoid performing complicated tasks right away and try to get some fresh air or a cold drink to help you wake up. Eating a light meal or snack before napping can help prevent low blood sugar, which can also make you feel nauseous. And if you're prone to acid reflux, try to wait a couple of hours after eating before taking a nap. Finally, if you find that you're frequently feeling nauseous or groggy after napping, it might be a good idea to talk to your doctor. They can help you identify any underlying health issues and suggest lifestyle changes or treatments to help you feel better.